Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308 Allure that we've taken in part exchange. So we originally sold this car from new, and it's got a full service history with Howard's. It comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, there's front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav and Bluetooth. On top of this, you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 27,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.